Hello guys, it's me. My name's called Zoe-Anna. Today we're going to be making spicy sticky chicken wings. They're going to be so delicious that your mouth will water. And throughout that, we'll make it with some yummy, jollof rice. And today we'll be making, as I said, spicy sticky chicken wings. I love these when they taste. When my mum made it, when they tasted, my mouth was watering for more. When you have a jollof rice, your mouth will water until tomorrow. I'm telling you the truth. Now let's get right into the video. First, you need chicken, of course, for the chicken wings. Let's just cut that up. Chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken wing. Yum yum. Oh, that was hard for a second. Well, you have to cut though. You have to do it. Yes or no, you still have to do it. There's no options. You have to do it. So we're on the last one. And then now we need some onion powder. We got ginger flour. We got light soy sauce. Ooh, that what makes me sticky wicky. Whoa, that is super dark. Whoa. Just, hey. Then we got oyster sauce. And then we got chili flakes. Whoa, that's going to make me really spicy. Okay, now we got some corn flour. And then you want to mix it up with your hand. My mom doesn't use spoon. She normally uses her hands to make it nice and good mixed up. So let them marinate. Chill. Yeah. Then we got fry it for 4 to 5 minutes. Yes. I see those good babies chilling in there. Oh, I can't wait to eat them when they're finished. Yum yum. Yum. And also, from now on, I'm going to be doing voiceovers for my man, so stay tuned into the video. So let's just fry these. Let's turn these out. Ooh, look at that glossiness. Oh. Let's just take these out real quick. Dig them out. Stir fry. That with oil. Yum, they look delicious. There's only 2 more to get, cow. Mommy, why couldn't you just... Mommy. Okay, now let's get the leftover marinade. Oh, that's what makes it sticky. Ooh. Yes. I love some good marinade sauce with my chicken. Let's mix. 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 Sticks. Mix. Licks. And now we're coming to the end. This is where all the glossiness gets juicy. Oh, I want to put that back. Make sure I don't just. And then we got serve, eat, and enjoy. And that. And you can also serve it with jollof rice if you want. Only if you want. It's not up to me. It's up to my mom. He's the one who makes all the food in the house. Yeah. And how it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye.